Hi everyone, in today's hands-on activity video, learning maths through hands-on activities at P1, this is for the chapter of numbers to 100. We are going to try out this activity on the 100 chart. We are going to learn how to count in ones, count in tens, and discover patterns in this 100 chart. I have my blank template here, which you should have received from a teacher. There's blanks here. And I have my color pencil ready. Okay, as well as my pencil, of course. Right. Okay, let's start here. I'm going to write my name here. And let's take a look. Have you already tried out making ones and tens and numbers into 100 using the sticks of 10 and little ones in the base 10 set? That was an activity that was previously shared. Right. I hope you are feeling confident about doing this. Let's start off with practicing counting in ones from 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, these are numbers that we are familiar with. 11 to 20. Have you managed to fill this in already? Right. Let's try out filling the first pattern. Do you remember how to count in tens? 10, 20, 30, 40. What's next? 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 10 more makes 100. Very good. So that's the first pattern we can identify in the 100 chart. That's counting in tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Feeling good? You realize that the ones place is all 0. I'm going to use green to shape off my first pattern. Right, so that's counting in tens. I've colored my first pattern. Now, are you able to count in tens and then after that count in ones? For example, I already know how to count in ones, 1 to 10. Can I count in tens followed by ones? That's saying, for example, 10, 20, 21. 21, 22, 23, 24. Very good. And I can also count 10, 20, 30, 31. And let's see if you are able to do this for the next few attempts. For example, I can count in tens first, then in ones. Just now we were at here 10, 20, 21, 10, 20, 30, 31, 10, 20, 30, 40, 41. So I'll go 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. Now that's great. Do you see the next pattern that can happen? Now, for example, when we look for a number in a pattern of counting tens, then ones, I can count by tens first, then followed by the ones. But as you look at the next pattern that you can identify, for example, using pink color here, if I were to choose 2, I can have 2 followed by 12, followed by 22, 32, 42, 52. Now, I've colored 6 numbers in the column. Can you see what kind of number pattern is this? Oh, for each of these numbers, I can count in 10 first, then in ones. 10, 20, 21, 22, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52. Yes, that's correct. You know what's the quicker way? I can just look at 2, 12, 22, 32, 42, 52, 62, 72. And you realize that in the 100 chart, down the column, the tens place changes and the one stays the same. How's that for a pattern? That's great. Okay, I am going to color out and make sure we can remember what we mentioned about the pattern earlier. Counting in tens followed by ones. So for example, let me do it with the number 80 and then the ones. So I have 80 here. I'll color the blanks here. So in this case, I've counted 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Cool. Was that alright for you? Alright, let's check out other patterns. The one pattern that says 1 more, 1 less, 10 more and 10 less. Look, I'm going to use blue color. Let me pick the blank here. I'm going to color the blank here. It's a missing number. And the clue to this number here lies in the numbers around him. Here, number 36 as well, 27, as well as 38. So I've marked out a cross here. Let's take a look. What pattern can I identify in this cross? And how are these numbers related to the hidden number in this blue blank? Well, just now we have counted from 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. If we count by ones, we will know that the answer for this blank is 37. Let's take a closer look at this blank and the cross here. So, you can identify that the pattern in this blank is that 37 is 1 more than 36. plus 1. And 37 is 1 less than 38. What about the two numbers above and below number 37? I can say that 10 less than 37 is 27, and 10 more than 47 is then 37 is 47. So from 37, if I look upwards, is 47. In the opposite way, I will say that the missing number 37 is going to be 10 less of 47. And the missing number 37 is 10 more than 27. Can you find other crosses in this 100 chart? Let's take a look at other examples. How about this one here? Here's another cross. In this other cross here, I can find out about the missing number here, but by knowing that the bottom number here should be 10 less than the number on top of it. So 75 is going to be 10 more than the hidden number, which will be 65. And 65 is going to be 10 more than 55, because 10 less than 65 is indeed 55. And you have 1 less than 65 is 64, 1 more than 65 is 66. You could use that to check. So in the same way, you can say that 65 is 1 less than 66, and 65 is 1 more than 64. And realize that this number in the middle is related in ones to the left and right, and tens to the top and bottom. Okay, so here we have identified a few patterns. Can you understand all? We have a few more blanks here. Shall we practice counting? You can use any of the strategies that we have tried just now to fill in the remaining blanks. For example, I can say this is 48 because it's 10 more than 38. I can say this is 28 because it's 10 less than 38. I can count by ones: 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. I can count by ones again from 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Well, I'm almost done with the whole 100 chart. Shall we try a last pattern? Let's go counting backwards. From 100. Backwards from 100, 99, 98, 97, 97, 96, 95, 93. There. Let me check it again. Practice counting from 1 to 100. How about that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Do you realize we are almost 200 already? We are halfway there. That's right. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Almost there. How many more? 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Yay! Thank you for counting from 1 to 100 together with me. Are you ready to count backwards from 100 to 1? Give it a go.